Hi, today I'll show how to fix your 404 page and how to redirect this 404 page in other pages. Then let's begin. For example, previous time these pages are available or visible in Google search engine, and in that time you get traffic, impression and leads. But right now this page is not working. Here show does not exist in the main design. Your page is 404. Now then ask me how to fix this problem. But I will show the another example. Like this, my blog is on my WordPress dashboard, and I'm click now read more. Then I show this pages doesn't seem to exist. That means this page is full form. Now I need to redirect this page's home pages. This is my home page and I need to redirect. Now I go to the WordPress dashboard, click plugin, click add new plugin, then enter my keyword. Then I show the two growth plugin. First is 301 redirects, easy redirect manager, and second is redirection. When you search this keyword, after install this second redirection plugin. When you search this keyword, after there show the install, then click install, after show the active. When you active, click active and then show this toolbar, go to the redirection and then now I redirect this page. Like I'm copy this URL and this is my source URL, enter this URL and I want to redirect this page in home sections. Then go to the targeted URL, enter this URL, click add redirect, and here is show this redirect. Like for example, I click this section again vertically, like click read more guest post, and then here is show go to the redirect in home pages. That's why our redirect pages successfully. And or if you want to remove this page permanently, then you go to the Google search console, search Google search console, click, then I show the index section, click removal, click new request and enter your URL. Like I want to remove this page is permanently, then click next. After that your page is permanently delete. Or I'll show another example, like your page is broken, then I prefer your page is removed because the main reason is it affects your ranking. Or you want to not remove this page, go to the redirections section. Then if you want to redirect, then this is the not good way because you haven't any other option, or you want to don't delete this page is permanently, then go to the redirection section. I hope you can understand how to redirect or remove your pages.